A rewarded play coupon code usually stops working because it has expired, is limited to new users, was entered incorrectly, or doesn't match your account or region. By the end, you'll know how to identify the exact cause and which fixes are most likely to get your code working again. Start by checking the code itself. Coupon codes are often case-sensitive and can include numbers and letters that look similar. Copy and paste the code if possible, instead of typing it manually. Even one extra space before or after the code can cause it to fail. Next, confirm that the promotion is still active. Many rewarded play promotions have expiration dates or limited redemption periods. If you're using a code from an old video, social media post, or email, it may no longer be valid even if the page is still online. Now check whether the code is intended for new users only. Some promotional codes only work during account creation, or before you've redeemed any previous welcome offer. If your account has already been active for a while, the app may automatically reject those promotions. Another common issue is regional availability. Rewarded play promotions can vary depending on your country or market. A code shared by another creator or website may work in one location but not in another, even if everything else is entered correctly. If the code should be valid, make sure your rewarded play app is updated. Open your device's app store and install the latest version if an update is available. Then completely close the app, reopen it, and try entering the code again. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary redemption errors. Also verify that you're entering the code in the correct redemption screen. Some promotional offers are tied to specific events, referral programs, or partner campaigns, and they won't work if entered in the wrong section of the app. If nothing changes, sign out of your account if the app allows it, then sign back in. If that doesn't help, restart your device and test the code one more time. Temporary app glitches can occasionally interfere with promotional features. When a valid code continues to fail, contact Rewarded Play support. Include the exact coupon code, when you received it, where you found it, and a screenshot of the error message if one appears. That gives the support team enough information to determine whether the issue is with the code or your account. To summarize, verify the code, confirm it hasn't expired, check whether it's limited to new users or specific regions, update the app, and contact support if the promotion still won't redeem. If this guide saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more rewarded play tips, fixes, and troubleshooting guides.